Africa is a land of opportunity, especially in the food industry. With a rapidly growing population and an increasing demand for processed and packaged foods, there has never been a better time to start a food processing and packaging business. From transforming fresh tomatoes into tomato paste, chilies into chili powder and sauce, onions into onion powder, and even processing a variety of spices, the market potential is massive. In this video, we will take you step by step through the entire food processing and packaging business journey. You'll learn the right machines for processing and packaging different food products, how to source raw materials affordably and turn them into valuable products, packaging strategies that make your products stand out on the shelves, profitable business strategies to scale up and dominate the market. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap on how to start and run a profitable food processing and packaging business in Africa, whether on a small scale, medium scale, or industrial level. Let's dive in and discover how you can turn raw food materials into high-demand packaged products that can be sold locally and internationally. What is food processing? Converting raw agricultural products into finished food items. Examples: tomatoes to paste, chilies to powder sauce, onions to powder, plantains to chips, etc. Why food processing is profitable in Africa. High demand for packaged foods, reducing post-harvest losses, creating export opportunities, long shelf life compared to fresh produce. Section 2. How to start a food processing business market research and business plan. Identify the most profitable food products in your country. Study competitors and find a unique selling point. Create a step-by-step plan with estimated costs and projections. Choosing the right location. Near raw material suppliers, e.g. tomato farms, chili farms. Access to good roads and markets. Availability of clean water and electricity. Registration and certification business registration with local authorities. Food safety certification, HACCP, ISO, FDA, or local food agencies. Branding and trademark registration. Section 3. Food processing machines needed: tomato processing, tomato paste and ketchup. Washing machine, cleans the tomatoes before processing. Pulverizing machine, crushes the tomatoes into a paste. Evaporation machine, removes excess water to thicken the paste. Pasteurization unit, ensures food safety and longer shelf life. Filling and sealing machine, packages the paste into sachets, bottles, or cans. Chili processing, chili powder, chili sauce, chili oil. Drying machine, removes moisture from chilies. Grinding machine, turns dried chilies into powder. Mixing and blending machine, for chili sauces and oils. Packaging machine, packs chili powder or sauce in different sizes. Onion powder, production, peeling machine, removes onion skin. Drying machine, dries onions for powdering. Grinding machine, turns dried onions into fine powder. Sealing and packaging machine, packs onion powder into containers or sachets. Other spice processing, turmeric, ginger, black pepper, etc. Sorting and cleaning machine, drying machine, grinding and sieving machine, packaging machine. Section 4. Food packaging machines and techniques. Sachet packaging machines, for powder and liquid products. Vacuum sealing machines, extends shelf life. Plastic and glass bottle filling machines, for sauces and pastes. Carton packing machines, for bulk distribution. Best packaging materials, food-grade plastic pouches, glass and plastic bottles, Tetra Paks, paper packaging for eco-friendly options. Section 5. Business strategies for success. Branding and packaging appeal, professional design and labeling. Attractive, informative, and compliant packaging. Finding your market, selling to local supermarkets and shops. Partnering with restaurants and hotels. Exporting to other African countries and international markets. Pricing strategies, competitive pricing based on production cost. Offering different packaging sizes for various customers. Marketing strategies, social media promotion, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. influencer and celebrity endorsements, attending food expos and trade fairs, scaling up the business, expanding product variety, investing in automation and industrial-scale machines, creating partnerships and distribution networks. 1. Identify a profitable food processing niche. Africa has a huge demand for processed food due to urbanization, changing lifestyles, and the need for convenient food options. Choosing the right product is crucial for success. High-demand food processing businesses in Africa checkmark tomato paste production used in homes, restaurants, and fast food businesses. Chili powder and sauce, high demand for packaged spices and condiments. Plantain chips and potato chips, fast-growing snacks industry. Onion and garlic powder, essential for seasoning and packaged spices. Pineapple and mango juice, Africa produces a surplus of these fruits. Peanut butter processing, nut-based spreads are highly consumed. Maize flour and wheat flour milling, staple foods in many African countries. Animal feed production, rising demand due to poultry and livestock farming. How to choose the right product. Research local and international demand. Check raw material availability and pricing. Study existing competition and gaps in the market. Choose a product with a long shelf life to reduce wastage. 2. Secure a reliable supply of raw materials. A steady and cost-effective supply of raw materials is key to running a profitable food processing business. Where to source raw materials, contract farming, partner with local farmers to ensure a consistent supply. Wholesale suppliers, buy in bulk from food markets or cooperatives. Self-farming, if feasible, grow part of your raw materials for cost reduction. Tip: establish long-term supplier agreements to prevent price fluctuations. 3. Choose the right machinery and equipment. Investing in the right machines determines efficiency and product quality. Essential machines for food processing. Washing and peeling machines for tomatoes, potatoes, onions, and fruit. Grinding and milling machines for chili powder, maize flour, and peanut butter. Juice extractors and pasteurizers for fruit juice and sauces. Dehydrators and dryers for onion powder, garlic powder, and spices. Mixing and blending machines for peanut butter and seasoning blends. Frying and baking machines for plantain chips, potato chips, and baked goods. Essential packaging machines, automatic and semi-automatic filling machines for powder, liquid, and solid foods. Sealing machines for pouches, bottles, and cans. Vacuum packaging machines to increase shelf life. Labeling machines for branding and product information. Tip: start with semi-automatic machines. If your budget is limited, then upgrade to full automatic as demand grows. 4. Set up a production facility. Your processing facility must meet hygiene and efficiency standards. Key considerations for setting up a food processing factory. Location: near raw materials and target markets to reduce costs. Water and electricity supply, essential for smooth operations. Storage facilities, cold rooms or dry warehouses for raw and finished products. Hygiene and safety standards, meet food regulatory requirements. Waste management, proper disposal of waste materials to comply with regulations. Tip: consider renting a small facility initially before investing in a larger plant. 5. Obtain licenses and regulatory approvals. Food processing businesses must comply with strict health and safety standards. Key licenses and certifications needed. Checkmark business registration. Register your company legally. Food safety certification, HACCP ISO 22000, ensures high-quality standards. Product approval from food regulatory authorities. Obtain local health and food safety certifications. Nutritional labeling approval, required for international markets. Export permits, if targeting Europe, the USA, or other global markets. Tip: working with a food consultant can speed up regulatory approvals. 6. Branding and packaging for market success. Packaging is more than protection. It is a marketing tool. How to design. Effective packaging. Attractive design. Use eye-catching colors and clear fonts. Labeling requirements. Ingredients, expiration date, nutritional facts, and barcode. Eco-friendly packaging. Consumers prefer biodegradable or recyclable materials. Portion sizing. Offer multiple package sizes to attract different income levels. Tip: well-packaged products sell faster in supermarkets and retail chains. 7. Develop a strong marketing and sales strategy. Success depends on how well you sell your product. Effective ways to market your food. Processing business, supermarkets and grocery stores, partner with retail chains. Online sales, e-commerce, social media, sell on Jumia, Amazon, and Instagram. Starting a food processing and packaging business in Africa is one of the most profitable ventures you can enter today. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe for more business ideas. Let us know in the comments what food product you'd like to process.